Exercise 4.5. The leftover problems we will see now. See the 12th question. I think the question is very simple to you. It's not very difficult. Just what you need to do here, you need to multiply two matrices in this situation. A is given to you. I think you can do it this problem. 3, 7, 2, 5. B matrix is given to you. 6, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And asking you to prove AB whole inverse is equals to AB inverse, B inverse into A inverse. So first you need to find out A into B. So A into B means 3, 7, 2, 5 into 6, 7, 8, 9. So what do you get here? This row is 18 plus 14. Just simple here, it is not more difficult to you. This is 18, these two multiply these two, 18 plus 14. Isn't it? 32, 24, 63, 24, 63. So 87 we are going to get it. Next, this 12 plus 35. If you get confused, 12 plus 35 like this. So we are going to get 47. Next, 16 plus 45, 61. So this is AB. And the AB whole inverse we need to find out. AB whole inverse is nothing but, first we need to find the determinant of AB. Determinant of AB is equals to the product of 32 into 61 minus 87 into 47. Just a product finding 32 into 61. So do you know how do you find out the product of two digit number? In easiest way, if you want to multiply this 32 into 61, 2 ones are 2 liquor. This like this cross multiply 12 and 3. 15 we are going to get. These 3 is 18. 18 plus 1 19. 1952 minus these two if you want to multiply 87 and 47. 7 sevens are 49. 4 carry. 8 sevens are 56. 7 fours are 28. So these two add 84 plus 4, 88. So 8 carry, very 8. 8 4 is 32. 4089 we are getting. Like this problem is in the same way you have to proceed it. Just you need to subtract these two. So negative number we are going to 4089 from this 1952 should be subtracted so that 2000 minus 2137 we are going to get. So AB whole inverse is nothing but 1 by determinant of AB, 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. What is the adjoint of AB we are going to get here? 1 by minus 2137 into adjoint of AB is nothing but, already I said, if a matrix is A is equals to, if you have A, B, C, D, adjoint of A is equals to 2 by 2 matrix means these two will be as it interchange. D and A interchange हो जाएगा. 2 by 2 matrix में remaining two numbers को minus आ जाएगा. This is there. So like this, whenever you consider matrix AB is this one. Here 61, 32 minus 87 minus 47. This is AB inverse. And you need to find out individually B inverse and A inverse. And that two matrices product you need to find out here. So how do you find out the B inverse? Let us see here. B inverse is find out करने के लिए first you need to determinant of B. 9 6 54 minus 8 7 56. We are going to get minus 2. So therefore it is non-singular matrix. Inverse exists. So B inverse is equals to 1 by minus 2 into interchange 9 6 minus 8 minus 7. This is In the same way, determinant of A find out. 15 minus 14 is equals to 1. 1 determinant of. So therefore, A inverse is equals to A inverse is equals to whether we did products later on. 6 is 18 49. Sorry, here we did wrong. 18 plus 49 na 7 7 is 49. So 50 67 we are going to get it. Here we will get 67, not 40. That's why we are getting this much big number. And 67 and 61 multiply 7 6 7 is 42 plus 48 4 6 36 4087. Yes, here we are going to get 4087. So we will get minus 2. So minus 2. इतना बड़ा नंबर है. So 61 here 67. So now what you will get here? A inverse is equals to interchange 5 3. Here minus 7. Here minus 2. So now what to do here? B inverse into A inverse. So B inverse is 1 by minus 2 into 9 minus 8 minus 7 6. And A inverse is 1 by 1 actually. So 1 by 1 can be written. Suppose if you get any other number, here any other constant, if you get 1 by 7 like this, that 1 by 7 and this 1 by minus 2 can be written together and multiply. Okay. So now what do you get here? 5 minus 7 minus 2 3. Just you have to multiply 1 by minus 2 into 9 5 is 45, 8 2 is 16. So add them. These two should be added. So we are going to get 61. Here we are getting 61. 61. Okay. Next, 9 7 is minus 63. 8 3 is minus 24. So on adding minus 87. Minus 87. Minus 87 again. Next, this row with this minus 35 minus 12 minus 47 minus 47. Next, my plus 49 18 plus 49 plus 18 67. So we are getting these two equal. Therefore, from this you can say that AB whole inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse. It's a very simple problem. Okay. Next, let us move to the 13th next question. 13th question. Thirteenth one. Here it is given A is equals to 3 1 minus 1 2. And asking to you to prove, show that A square minus 5A plus 7I is equals to O. Hence find A inverse. ये prove करना है. After proving it, then you have to find A inverse with the help of that. So how do we find out A inverse? We'll see here. First A square find. Square of the any matrix is nothing but every element को square नहीं करना है. Do remember A into A, that is nothing but 3 1 minus 1 2 into 3 1 minus 1 2. So what do you get here from this? 3 3 is 9 minus 1 8 9 minus 3 1s are 3 2 1s are 2 3 plus 2 5 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 here. Minus 1 plus 4 minus 1 plus 4 we are going to get 3. This is A square. Okay, 5A is nothing but every element of A should be multiplied by 5. So 5 multiplied into 15 5 minus 5 10. So now whatever it is asking to you, plus 7i is equals to a square is nothing but 8, 5 minus 5, 3 plus 5a minus 5a, sorry, minus 5a. 5a is nothing but 15, 5 minus 15, 10 plus 7i is nothing but 7007. So on simplifying this, how do you simplify this one? Either 8 है, minus 15, 8 minus 15 plus 7, corresponding elements should be added. Now here 5 minus 5 plus 0, either minus 5, either minus into minus plus 5 plus 0, 3 minus 10 plus 7. So we are going to get it as a 0, 0, 0, 0, which is null matrix. Now hence find A inverse is the question. With the help of that A inverse, you need to find out. How do we find out the A inverse? With the help of that. Can anyone tell? With the help of this, A inverse finding is nothing but normally A inverse you can find out. But why it is, the question is asked to you. With the help of this, how do you find out? That is important here. So what to do in this situation? So here we need to take, we need to multiply, we need to consider here a square minus 5a plus 7i is equals to O is given. This 7i you take it to the right hand side. So what do you get here? A square minus 5a is equals to minus 7i we will get. Sir, minus 7i how do we get? Actually, that is not 0, it is O. Okay, now you have to find out A inverse. A inverse find out करना. So A inverse if you want to find out, we need to get the A inverse. That means here A inverse आना है. A inverse आने के लिए A inverse right side multiply करो. Okay, so this A square can be written as A into A. So I am multiplying A inverse and right hand side, means post multiplication. We call it as a post multiplication. So determinant of this matrix is not equals to 0. So that's why A inverse exists over. A inverse exists over. That's why A inverse I am multiplying. See here, इधर A inverse multiply कर लिया, इधर भी left hand side A inverse multiply कर लिया, इधर भी A inverse multiply. So what I will get? This will become identity matrix. A into A inverse will be the identity matrix. A into I minus A 5 into I is equals to ये दोनों multiply कर लिया तो minus 7 into A inverse. So if you want A inverse, so A minus 5, so A inverse is equals to 1 by minus 7 into A minus 5i. A into I is A only. So if you find out A minus 5i and 1 by 7, you are going to get it. So what is A minus 5i? We will get, let us see here. A minus 5i is equals to A is 3, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 5i, 5, 0, 0, 5, which is equals to these two. If you subtract, minus 2 we will get. These two if you subtract 1 we will get. These two if you subtract 1 you will get. And 2 minus 5 is minus 3. This is 5. Now A inverse is equals to 1 by minus 7 into minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2. See, this is, you can find out. Sir, इतना लंबा procedure क्यों? Simple way is there now. Simple way is there. A inverse is nothing but 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So what is the determinant of A? You can do like that also, but here the question is given hence, means after finding that, with the help of this you have to find out this one. isn't it? With the help of that, you have to find out this. So what do you get here? In this situation, 1 by det A into adjoint of A. So determinant of A is what here? 3 to the 6. But here we are getting 1 by minus 7. Huh? Okay, we may get that. Minus 7 if you multiply inside, the same result we are going to get. So here we will get the determinant of A is 7. 1 by 7. So what is adjoint of A of 2 by 2 matrix? The diagonal element should be replaced. Remaining element should be multiplied by minus 1. So here this one and this one both are same or not? Minus if you multiply here, these three becomes positive and this become negative. So see here, yes, our answer is right. 2, 1, 1, minus 1 plus 3. 1 by 7. 7 minus is multiplied in the side. That's all. Like this, you need to solve this problem. I think you understood. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, in the same way, 14th problem is matrix A is given 3, 2, 1, 1. Find the numbers A and B. Okay, I'll explain to you that one also. You may get confused. Okay? Actually, these problems are not that much important examination point of view whenever you see that. 15th question is very much important. Okay? Same way, 15th and this question is but 15th question is just it is 3 by 3 matrix. Here it is 2 by 2 matrix. In case of the 3 by 3 matrix, A inverse find out करना थोड़ा सा length process. Okay, let us see the 14th question now. The question is given A is equals to 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay, find A and B such that A square plus small a into capital A plus small b into capital I is equals to O. For that, first you need to find out A square. A square is equals to A into A. 3, 2, 1, 1. So 3, 2, 1, 1, which is equals to. So what do you get here? 3 3s are 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2, 11. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 1s are 3. 1 1s are 1. 4. 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So this is A square. Now whatever it is given to you, that let us take A square minus small a into A, b into I is equals to O. A is what here? A square is what here? 11, 8, 4, 3 minus A into A means इसको A completely multiply करना 3A, 2A, 1A, sorry, 2 small a should be multiplied. Bi is nothing but b is 0, 0, b is equals to 0, 0, 0, 0 matrix. Now what do you get from this on simplification? 11 minus 3a plus b. Here 8 minus 2a plus 0. Here 4 minus a plus 0. Here 3 minus a plus b is equals to 0, 0, 0, 0. That means this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. If you take this one equal to 0, a equal to 4 आ जाएगा. If you take this one equal to 0, 2a equal to 8, a equal to 4 आ जाएगा. So from this, you can say that this one I am making 4 minus a is equals to 0. This implies a is equals to 4. You can take this one also equal to 0. Now, this one is equals to 0, this one also equal to 0. So better simple way is this one is better way. 3 minus a plus b is equals to 0. So in this a value substitute 3 minus 4 plus b is equals to 0. Minus 1 plus b is equals to 0. b is equals to minus 1. So a value is 4, b value is plus, sorry, plus 1. B value is plus 1 such that it will satisfy the given condition. Okay. Did you understand? Is it okay? Or is there any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
in this? Hmm? 15th and 16th, both the problems are similar problems. 16th, I am going to explain to you. Just I will give the hint to you. You try the problem, you can do it. It's not very difficult. So in this situation, actually, it is lengthy. Problem is a little bit lengthy here. Other than that, nothing else here. A is equals to, the matrix is given to you as 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. This is a matrix. So I'm asking to you to verify a cube minus 6 a square plus 9a minus 4i is equals to O. So problem is lengthy problem. What to do? A cube बोले तो first a square find out करना है. So let us find out a square. A square is nothing but a into a. So this 2 times multiplied. This one 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. So be careful while multiplying. 4 1 1 4 plus 1 plus 1 6 6. This with this minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1. So minus 6 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, sir, minus 5. Oh. So be careful, and that's right. 4 5 6 here minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 plus 1. इधर भी क्या होगा? 2 to the 4 है ना. 4 plus 1 1 6. Okay. Next plus 2 plus 1 3 plus 2. So plus 5 here. So like this, a square find out karo, a cube find out karo, and in this substitute karo. If you get the null matrix, it's then after hence find a inverse. Hence find a inverse. Okay, let us find out a little bit faster. Let us do it. Minus 2 minus 2 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 all minus minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 plus 1 1 plus 4 5 plus 1 6. Next this row with this minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5. Next this row with this 2 ones are 2 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 2 5. Next 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5. Next 1 plus 1 plus 6. Can anyone say what is this a square? Which type of the matrix? Now a cube find out करना है. A cube find out करना है तो a square into.
Symmetric.
Yes, it is symmetric
Symmetric.
matrix. Symmetric matrix. When you observe that same here in this. When you interchange 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 a square. इसको a multiply करना है, a cube find out करना है. There is no other alternate way. This is only the way you need to do. 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. So be careful while doing the problem. A cube find out करो. So after finding a cube, what do you get here? 6 to 12. 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 plus 5 and 20, 22 minus 6. If you get confused, you write here like this: minus 6 minus 10 minus 5. So what do you get here? Minus 21. This with this 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 10 plus 20. After seeing this, most of the students will feel that one pattern we are getting now. So directly we will write here minus 21 will get, here plus 22 minus 21, 21 minus 21, 20. Is it right? Is it right? Yes, we are. We will get it. You can check it here. What do you get here? Minus 10, minus 6, minus 5. See, minus 21. Here 22 will get. Here minus 21 will get. Here 21. Here minus 21. Here 22. Obviously, we will get it. You can, but you have to do it. You have to verify it. Then after, what is the question we are asking to you to prove? A cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i is equals to OO. A cube is nothing but here 22 minus 21 plus 21 minus 21, 22 minus 21 minus 21, 20, minus 6a square. 6a square इसको 6 मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Every number should be multiplied by 6. So 30 we will get. 6 5 are 30. Here every element and 6 multiply करना है ना. Sorry, 6 is a 36. 6 5 is 30 minus 30 plus 30 minus 30 36 minus 30 30 minus 30 plus 36. This is 6a square plus 9a. 9a. a को 9 मल्टीप्लाई करना. 9 to 18 minus 9 plus 9. Here minus 9, 18 minus 9, 9 minus 9, 18 minus 4i, 4004. Now when you simplify this, what do you get? 22 minus 36 plus 18 minus 4. What do you get? This one plus this one. 22 plus 18, 40. These two, 40. 40 minus 40, 0. Minus 21 plus 30 minus 9 minus 0. ये दोनों को सम minus 30 है. In the same way, every number you find out. So we are going to get it obviously as 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, all zeros. So it is O. Then after, the question is asking you to find out, hence find A inverse. A inverse find out करना है. So what is given to us here? A cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4a is equals to 4. This 4a you take it to the right hand and multiply A inverse on both sides. A cube into A inverse minus 6a square into A inverse plus 9 into A into A inverse 4 into I into A inverse. A cube into A inverse will become A square minus 6a plus 9i. This should, if you divide by 1 by 4, which is equals to A inverse. So again, what to do here to find out A inverse? A inverse find out करने के लिए 1 by 4 into A square. What is A square? We got here 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6. This is A square. 1 by 4 A square minus 6a. 6 a को 6 मल्टीप्लाई कर minus plus 12 minus 6 plus 6 minus 6 12 minus 6 6 minus 6, 12. It's here. Plus 9i, 9009. This is A inverse. I'm simplifying whatever the number you will get. That number 1 by 4 into 6 minus 12 minus 6 minus 6 plus 9. Oh, sorry. Here I have to write the 3 by 3 matrix now. So 6 minus 12 minus 6 minus 6 plus 9 minus 6 plus 9. So plus 3 we are going to get. Minus 5 plus 6 minus 5 plus 6. 1 we are going. So here it is 1. Next. 5 minus 6 minus 1. Here minus 1. Next. 5 minus 5 plus 6 plus 1. So here plus 1 we get. 6 minus 12 minus 6 minus 6 plus 9. 3 we are going to get. Minus 5 minus of minus 6 plus 6. 1. Here we are going to get. And 5 minus 6 minus 1. Minus 1 we get. Minus 5 plus 6, 1. 1 we will get. Here 3. This is the A inverse. So this is a way to find out the A inverse of the given matrix. You understand? Same way, 15th problem also you can do it. And 17th problem, when you see that A is a non-singular matrix, this is only the question most number of the times asked in question. A is a non-singular matrix of order 3 by 3. A is the, I think you understood this question now? Huh? Any doubts? Okay. This is only the very important question to you, 17th one. See that? Same model, 15th question you can do it, but 17th question whenever you see, A is a non-singular matrix of order 3 by 3. A is 3 by 3 order. And asking for you to find out determinant of adjoint of A. Can you say what is the determinant of adjoint of A? You have to recall the concepts. All. Determinant of A. See here. A into adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A into I. इसको डिटर्मिनेंट ले लिया ये प्रूफ मैंने बोला है आपको तो व्हाट यू कैन हियर det A into determinant of adjoint of A is equals to when you multiply identity matrix and determinant whenever you are finding as it is 3 by 3 matrix you are going to get determinant of 3 determinant of A whole cube 3 by 3 matrix है ना ये इधर 3 by 3 दिया okay determinant whenever you are finding why because what is the theorem we are using here? M is equals to K into N, where M and N are the matrices. So determinant of M is equals to K to the power of N into determinant of N. Determinant of I we are going to get. Determinant of I value is 1 here. So K to the power of N. K placement determinant of K is there. Now this one take here power 2. So we are going to get determinant of A whole square. Very, very important question every time asked in the exam. Board exam for the 1 month. Okay. The 18th question you see A is an invertible matrix of order 2. Then determinant of A inverse is equals to. Can you say? Can anyone? Determinant of A inverse is equals to. 18th question. See, it looks like a very simple question only. 18th one. A is the square matrix of order 2. Then the question is asking determinant of A inverse. What is the determinant of A inverse? Think. Just you take the 1 minute time and think and try to give the answer. What happened? Not getting any idea. What is A inverse? A inverse बोले तो क्या है? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, isn't it? Actually, first it is asking you to find out the determinant of A inverse. First, what is A inverse? Use right. 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay. And asking you to find out the determinant of this matrix. So determinant of this one. ये number है, ये matrix है. So whenever you are having number and matrix, what do you get? Determinant of the number and a matrix. Determinant of the number and a matrix, what do you get? इसका square आ जाएगा because it is 2 by 2 matrix. 1 by determinant of A square आ जाएगा into adjoint of A. Did you get my point here? Why? This is only the theorem. M is equals to K into N, where K is the small constant. Determinant of M is equals to K to the power of N into determinant of N. N is a matrix. Adjoint of A is also matrix. 1 by determinant. What is adjoint of A? Determinant of adjoint of A. What is the determinant of adjoint of A? For the 2 by 2 matrix. For the 2 by 2 matrix. Tell me. Just previous problem only. Determinant of adjoint of A for 3 by 3 matrix is this one. Determinant of adjoint of matrix for 2 by 2 matrix is just determinant of A. So we are going to get it 1 by determinant of A whole square into determinant of A. So which is equals to 1 by determinant of A. So we will get it as 1 by det A. 1 by det. Is it clear? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So here it's very simple but little bit logical. Okay.